back, Third Phase Moon Blade Cousins. We're going over 2 UFO videos submitted to Third Phase Moon. First, let's go to Machu Picchu, the 15th century Inca city. Joseph Stanton, while visiting the sacred site, looks in the direction of a young girl's observation of what looks to be a cigar-shaped UFO hovering over the ancient site. Now let's take a look again and zoom in 600%. Now to our next video. Skander Garbi of Tunisia captures a strange circular formation of clouds. Form this cloud phenomenon? Leave your comments below, and don't forget, contact Third Phase Moon if you've captured anything incredible. Submit it to us via Skype or Facebook. Blade Cousins, we're not alone. Keep your eyes on the skies. We'll see you again next time.